Huge plumes of dark smoke are billows in the air at the site of a major explosion in Lagos Sunday as dead bodies were carried away. A resident recounts the disturbing and tragic incident that killed at least 17 people.
This morning I woke up, I was going to the gym when I heard an explosion. I ran out to my kids, my family to check what was happening outside. But unfortunately, I saw scattered buildings and stuff like that. I wasn't really sure what was happening, so I had to take my family to safety first. So I went out to see what was happening, to check out, and what I saw was quite unbelievable.
According to the state-owned National Petroleum Corporation, the incident was caused by a truck that hit gas cylinder stuck in a gas processing plant, end of quote. The explosion occurred in the Iwomu-Odofen area of Lagos, Nigeria. Spokesman for the National Emergency Management Agency said 50 buildings were destroyed by either collapsing or catching fire in 3 different neighborhoods. This was the most serious explosion in Lagos since January 2002, when bombs from a military armory exploded, killing more than 1,000 people.